Hey everyone, and welcome back to Top Success. With so many business ideas, it can be hard to figure out which are worth pursuing. While jumping on a new trend can sometimes be risky, it can also be highly rewarding. You may notice that a lot of the ideas on this list have been growing in popularity recently. Today we're going to be talking about the top 20 online business ideas that could make you rich. Make sure you stay into number 1 as you don't want to miss a great job that you can start working on today. Number 20, technical writer. Technical writing is like copywriting, but for more technical manuals such as large machinery. They may also need scientific background. If you have technical and professional skills in a certain field, you may want to consider becoming a technical writer. It will take time, but keep in mind that this can pay big. You can market your skills through websites such as Fiverr and LinkedIn. The best part is that this job doesn't take much commitment. Number 19, SEO consultant. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Business owners, especially small business owners, rely heavily on this. For this job, it is best if you are familiar with Google Ads and Google Analytics. If you can work with these technical skills, then you can earn big as an SEO consultant. You can boost small businesses by helping them with analytical data. If you are unfamiliar with this skill, yet would like to try, there are plenty of online guides to get you started. Number 18, podcast network. Podcasts are an ever-growing interest in many people. This is a great medium for those who want to take in information without watching or reading anything. Because of this popularity and ease, people are starting their own podcasts. Podcasts are easy to set up and can actually be sold per download. Many podcasts are free, but you can add a price tag to yours. Find a podcast hosting site, such as Podbean, and set up your own podcast show. Market it right and people will want to download it. Number 17, Skype or Zoom coaching. On the internet, people are always looking to develop a new skill. If you are an expert in a field, you can consider starting a Skype coaching business. This requires you to take what you know about a certain subject and coach people on it around the world. It is a great job because it can pay big, you can set a price that's right for you, and it is flexible. Set your own hours and choose a video platform that is best for you. It doesn't even have to be Skype. This great job will have you earning some big bucks. Number 16, resume and cover letter writer. If you have been job hunting, you know just how important resumes and cover letters are. Maybe you've even mastered the craft of drafting an effective cover letter and resume. Some people need help with this and will hire you if you can write one for them. The earnings may start out small, but once you build a reputation, you can earn hundreds of dollars a month. Practice your skills and put yourself out there. Number 15, small business consultant. Small business can always use a bit of help. If you know your way around small businesses, why not help them out? Everyone with a new business is looking for ways to become successful, and as a small business consultant, you will get paid to give a boost. Find a niche to get in more customers. It also shows people what you are good at. The more clients and customers you bring in, the more reputable you become. The beginning may be slow, but after a while, you'll earn big. Number 14, remote tech support. Tech support comes in handy for this generation. If you have the skills, you can work remotely as a tech support agent. Some agencies require you to work in an office for long hours, but now there are plenty of agencies that are far more flexible. All you need is a computer and a stable internet connection, then you can do this job from the comfort of your own living room. If you would like to learn the skills required for this job, there are courses you can take online that will help you get started. Number 13, digital courses. The internet is like a school. There are plenty of lessons being taught online, and these lessons can be expensive. Courses offered online are legitimate and give you useful certificates. Did you know that you can sell your own courses? Check out some sites like Udemy and start creating courses to make some cash. Just take 1 or 2 skills you have and turn them into video and presentations. If you can garner a big enough audience, you can earn thousands of dollars a month. Number 12, social media consultant. Some people have entire teams to run their social media accounts. Celebrities and big businesses alike are constantly looking for people who know how to spread the word via Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and more. You can start cashing in on this type of work if you know your way around social media. You can become a social media consultant and show businesses how to properly market through their social media accounts, bring in more clients, and become more trusted. You can get several gigs a month if you know what you are doing. Some of these may be long-term and some may be short-term. Either way, the salaries are quite large. Number 11, Startup Advisor. Startup companies love getting advice and help to make sure their businesses survive. If you have the expertise in startups and how they run, you can become a startup advisor. With this job, you'll be helping a startup maintain itself. You can earn big with this. The more companies you help, the more startups will want your help. Continue helping advise these businesses to build up your reputation and keep the customers coming right in. Number 10, tutoring business. Tutors are always in demand. Luckily, with the internet, we can now expand our customer range. Tutoring used to be limited to cities, now it can be an online and worldwide business. You can find your customers by advertising your services. Then you can use video call platforms such as Zoom or Skype to set up the meetings and teach your lessons. This is similar to teaching English online, but more flexible and custom to your own skills and liking. You can even set your own prices. Plan out how you want your lessons to go and get students. They'll be learning and you'll be earning. Number 9, app developer. Mobile apps are becoming more and more popular. If you have the proper technical skills, you can take advantage of this and earn big. App developers are always needed to help make games and applications for companies. You can make hundreds to even thousands of dollars a month, depending on what you develop. Want to do this but don't know how? Like many other technical jobs on this list, the internet is a treasure trove of online guides and courses to help you learn these skills. Build some of your own personal apps to show people you know what you are doing, and after a while, you will become reputable and people will want to hire you more. Number 8, niche market e-commerce retailer. Niche markets are great because there is always someone looking for something odd or unique. If you have a large collection of retro VHSs you want to sell, there is an audience for that. If you can advertise yourself properly, then these niche markets will make sure to bring customers straight to you. Becoming a niche market e-commerce retailer may take a bit of investing, but your online store should become lucrative enough to turn a decent profit. Find a website and an audience and start selling. Number 7, corporate counsel consultant. If you work in law, you can start working on some online business. Corporations need lawyers and legal advice, and this can be done remotely. As a corporate counsel consultant, you will hold your own online consultation firm and offer workers in corporations a way to keep legal affairs without fully committing to a lawyer. This is a great way to work online as a lawyer because of its rise in popularity. Number 6, dropshipping. Dropshipping is when you take orders on an online store and directly send them to a third-party retailer for fulfillment. You can earn money by doing this for other companies. Set out your own price and you'll be ready to go. This has become more and more popular as e-commerce and online businesses have become more widespread, so you should find an opening for this job fairly easily. Number 5, search engine. If you're an expert in coding and web development, why not try to create your own search engine? Maybe you can develop the next Google. Sure, it won't be as popular now, but in time it may become something huge and earn you tons of cash. Just find out what users want out of a search engine and create that. Maybe they want to search with certain parameters. Maybe you want a niche search engine that only searches images, for example. There are plenty of ways to get creative with this job. Number 4, web designer or web developer. People are always buying websites. Many people now are switching to e-commerce for their business. Some may want to put their portfolio on the web. Whatever the use, web designers and web developers will always be in demand. This is an excellent job because many people that want a website don't actually know how to build one. That's where you come in. This is an excellent job, but requires a lot of technical skills. If you want to learn the skill or get better at it, there are plenty of online courses you can take. Number 3, handmade craft seller. Websites like Etsy and Artfire are great sites for modern day crafty people. This is a great job because people are willing to pay a lot for handmade crafts. Hone your skills and practice to make great works of art to sell. For this, try finding a niche to help you sell better. You can make t-shirts, stickers, or just about anything else. It is also flexible so you can pick your own prices and sell whenever or wherever you'd like. Number 2, blogger. Blogs are everywhere. Making a blog could actually bring you some cash, and not everyone knows that. You can start a business blog and earn cash by selling products through your articles. You can sell just about anything. Online courses, books, webinars, you name it. This is great because it takes online selling and adds a marketing aspect to help sell customers on the products. It's easy. Just create a blog, which can be free or affordable. It may take a while to start up, but once the customers come, you'll start earning. And at number 1, Virtual Assistant. Virtual assistants have multiple tasks. You may make travel plans, do data entry, and answer phone calls. It's just like the title suggests, an assistant that works remotely. Virtual assistant jobs are everywhere. Searching online will show that there are many openings for this job available. This is a great job because it is remote and the earnings per month can be huge. It takes up some time and effort. The amount you earn every month will be worth it. Thanks for watching. While you were here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.